Ever bought a drone and realized the essential charger wasn't included? That's exactly what many DJI Mini 3 Pro owners are discovering. The G30W charging adapter is designed specifically for this drone, delivering reliable power without the guesswork. If you want to keep your Mini 3 Pro ready for flight without worrying about compatibility or safety, this charger deserves your attention. After investing over $1,400 in the DJI Mini 3 Pro, controller, and accessories, I wasn't willing to risk using an aftermarket charger that might harm my equipment. The G30W adapter offers peace of mind as a genuine OEM product. It's built to work seamlessly with your drone, ensuring fast, efficient charging every time. Plus, it's priced reasonably compared to other smart chargers that claim to do the same but don't offer the same level of assurance. One thing is clear: DJI should have included this charger with the drone. It's that essential. But since it's sold separately, getting the official G30W charging adapter is the smartest move you can make. It's easy to order, fits perfectly with your Mini 3 Pro, and keeps your investment protected. If you're serious about your drone's performance and longevity, this charger is worth a look. Ready to simplify your charging routine and keep your DJI Mini 3 Pro powered up safely? Try the genuine G30W charging adapter when you're ready. It's a small addition that makes a big difference.